Hi, it's Roberto Dalla Vecchia, and today I wanna show you a couple of fingerings that I like to use when I'm playing rhythm guitar in the key of D. Let's say that you're playing C-intense real in D position, key of D, and the chord progression for the A part goes like this. We have three chords, right? And D, G, and A, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. And let's see how we can spice up those three chords. For the D chord, I like to lift my middle finger. So now my D chord becomes a D sus2. And I have a nice open E string here ringing. And for the A chord, I like to use this fingering. This is called A7th sus4. Well, this is super simple. Just go back to your D chord, okay? Now you lift your middle finger. Now move your index over to the 4th string, same fret. Don't move your ring finger. And that's the fingering we need to use instead of the A chord. Okay, so we have a D sus2 for the D chord and a A7th sus4 for the A chord. And now the same chord progression sounds like this. I really like the ending. Of course, you can still use your regular D chord, and you can go back and forth like this. Something like that, right? Now in the B part, we're always talking about C-intense real. In the B part, the chord progression goes like So see, in the B part we have the E minor chord, we have the B minor chord. And for the B minor chord, I like to use this fingering. This is a B minor 7th, so this is my root, 5th string, 2nd fret, open D, and then I have an A note here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and a D note on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and open E again. So this is very, very similar to a D sus2 chord. It doesn't matter the fingering, but we have a different bass now, and that's the B bass. And for the E minor chord, well, we can use an E7th, and again, I think I prefer to use this finger in this case, ring finger on the D note, and then this is my E minor using my index and middle finger. So you see, the only difference between the E minor and the B minor is the middle finger. It's on the 4th string for the E minor, and it's on the 3rd string for the B minor 7. And the only difference between E minor 7 and the A7th sus4 is here on the 5th string. I have a B note for the E minor, and for the A7th sus4 I have an open A. You see how it works? They all sound very similar, and maybe it's just one note, one string that is different, and that's why they sound good together. So let me play the B part. One last fingering I like to use for the A chord is this one, this voicing. In this case I'm using the ring finger on the 5th string, 4th fret, that's a C sharp, and I'm using an index on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then open, open, open. And again, this is a nice voicing that I can use to substitute my regular A chord. Let me give you an example. So this is sentence real again, B part. Something like that. Experiment with these fingerings and try to see if you can use them in other fiddle tunes, other songs, and have fun with them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for new videos. You can find a lot of video lessons at my website www.robertodallavecchia.com. And you can also join my instructional channel at TrueFire. It's simply called Flatpicking Experience, and I hope to see you there. Thanks again for watching. Ciao ciao.